Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a stationery haul, and so let's get started. So the very first product which I got from Flipkart are these cello highlighters, and I got them for around 80 to 90 rupees, and I think that these are very reasonable for that. So now let's hop into their swatches. So the very first shade which I have right here is the mix of orange and a pink shade, and it's a kind of a peach shade right here. And now this one is the bright neon orangish shade. And this is the very common shade which is neon yellow. So the next shade is the purple or sort of lavender shade. Next shade is the pop pink color. So the next product which I got from Flipkart are these Faber-Castell sketch pens, and these are a pack of 25 sketch pens. So here are the swatches for these sketch pens. So you get two black sketch pens which are connected with this yellow connector. So yeah, according to me, these are very good sketch pens you can invest in. So next up we have these color pens from Classmate, which are named as Octane Color Burst color pens. You get 10 different shades in this pack, and the MRP of these pens are 100 rupees, but you can easily get them around for 80 or 90 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart, and the swatches of these pens are here. To be very honest with the quality of these pens, I would rate them around 7 out of 10, because these pens have a thick body, and for the people who want a kind of a slightly slim body of their pens, so these pens are not for them, because they are very thick in size, and also this does not have a wide range of colors. It only have an average range of colors. But one thing which I really like about these pens, that they also have silver and gold shade with them. But disadvantage of these pens are that they transfer on the next page, and I know this because I have used them. So think once before you buy them, but otherwise they are a good pens to invest in. So the next thing in this haul is this sticky notes folder, and it is quite convenient as it has different types of sticky notes in it of different sizes. One is the things to do, and another one is the memos page kind of, and then we have these small sticky notes which are very convenient to use. But one thing that I didn't like about these is that they do not have a good quality glue in them, so they do not stick at a place for the longest time. And then we have these small cute diaries which are so good and handy, and you can use them for any purpose to jot down anything and everything. And these are from the brand Cube Works, if you know. And I got them from the local market itself. And to be specific, these diaries costed me for around 20 to 30 rupees per diary. So from my side, these are very good to invest in. So next up we have this cutest handmade diary, which is so cute and made up of handmade pages, and even the whole diary is handmade only. And the thing that I love most about this diary is that they have colorful pages, which is so good about them, because I have seen many handmade diaries which are only made up of white sheet, and this is something unique. And for the price range, it costed me for around 70 to 80 rupees. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this diary. So guys, the next thing which I got are these pack of 6 registers, which are from the brand Yuva or Navneet, and these registers are of really very good quality. These come in the combo of 6 registers. If you want to buy them, I will provide the link of these registers and to all the products that I have got in the description box down below. So do check them out if you want to buy them. Or personally, I just love these registers because the cover page and the pages are of really very good quality. Also, they provide these activities, some or anagrams behind the registers, which are kind of stress busting and really cool. Then there's a pack of ball pens, and I got two basic folders which are so important to organize all of your important materials or documents. And then I got a basic transparent clipboard. So yeah, that's all for this haul. I hope you liked it, and do let me know in the comment section below any of your video ideas, or if you would like me to do such stationery hauls.